What's up YouTube, it's Jono here. A few days ago, I read a pretty hilarious article. Let me show you. So these American exchange students managed to piss off the entire country of Italy by burning their pasta. So in today's episode, I'm going to show you one of the most important beginner cooking techniques, how to cook pasta without burning anything. Alrighty, let's go. First step is to boil some water. If you want to save yourself a ton of time, a little tip is to boil the water in a kettle instead of the stove. Pour the water into a large saucepan and bring it up to a rolling boil. You want the water to be at a rolling boil because this stops the pasta from sticking together. Make sure you season your water with a pinch of salt. Adding salt is really important because it will season your pasta as it cooks. Not to mention you'll get some really flavorful pasta water at the end. So I'm using dried spaghetti today. The biggest problem I used to have when cooking pasta was trying to figure out how much one bloody serving was. I mean, is this one serving? Is this one serving? Or is that one serving? Seems like guesswork to me. But recently, I found a little trick. Get yourself a plastic bottle and fill up the opening with pasta. And voila! You got yourself an accurate measurement for one serving. So I'm just going to twist this pasta because it looks pretty cool and drop it into the water. Now take a look at your packet instructions for how long you need to cook your pasta for. Different shapes of pasta will cook at different times. So mine here says 8 minutes for al dente pasta. Al dente is how the Italians describe pasta that's cooked firm to the bite. I personally love al dente pasta, so I'm going to cook mine for 8 minutes. And now we just wait. Before your pasta finishes cooking, scoop out some pasta water in a cup. Starch gets released into the water as the pasta cooks, which turns it into what I call a magic pasta potion. It's like a secret ingredient that helps you loosen up your pasta sauces. Okay, so 8 minutes is up, so now I'm just going to get a pair of tongs and take one strand out to test. It's still slightly too firm, so I'm just going to leave it in for another 30 seconds. Once your pasta is cooked, if you have a pan sauce cooking on another stove, you can directly transfer the pasta over. But I don't have a pan sauce, so I'm just going to drain it down the sink. Make sure your tongs are pressed against the pasta to stop any of those buggers from escaping. Or if you want to play it safe, just use a colander, but you'll have to do some extra cleaning. And now you could actually eat your pasta right now. I mean, it's edible, but I think we can do better and take it up a notch. So let's get the pasta back into the saucepan. I'm going to add a can of olive oil tuna. Olive oil goes really well with pasta. And don't forget to use our magic pasta water to loosen everything up. Finally, chop up half a fresh tomato, add in some salt, pepper, bit of chili flakes, lemon juice, and give it all a good stir. Okay, so now it's finally time to serve on our shiny white plate. Now get ready for some food porn because the Parmesan cheese is getting grated over. And just to be fancy, we're going to add one basil leaf on the top. And that's how you cook perfect pasta al dente style. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe down below if you want to catch the next episode. Like and comment in this video, what is your favorite type of pasta? Anyways, I'm out.
Wow, that's pretty good. Mm.